This isn't about aliens. It's about something far more disturbing. What if we are not the first? What if millions of years ago, long before the pyramids, before dinosaurs, Earth was home to something intelligent, something advanced, and something that disappeared so completely we forgot it ever existed? Not a myth, not a movie plot, but a terrifying possibility hidden beneath our feet. The human story? It's a flicker. We've been building cities for just around 6,000 years, but Earth is more than 4 billion years old. Now think about that. 4 billion years of storms, lava, oceans rising and falling, continents breaking and colliding. Time enough for civilizations to rise, and time enough for them to vanish, leaving nothing behind. Nothing but maybe a few clues. There's a real scientific idea called the Silurian hypothesis. It suggests an intelligent species could have lived millions of years before us, and their traces would have been erased by time. No fossils, no cities, just geological scars, strange isotopes, or buried patterns we ignore. What if some of those natural formations we study weren't natural at all? What if we've already seen their ruins and walked right past them? Now look around. Skyscrapers, satellites, plastic, lights, our entire modern world. If we vanished tomorrow, how long would it last? 10,000 years? Our cities crumble. 1 million plastic dissolves. 10 million, all of it gone. Nature reclaims everything, just like it might have once before. Maybe we are not the beginning. Maybe we are the echo, and here's what keeps scientists awake at night. What if they left something behind, not on the surface, but buried, hidden, waiting, a signal, a vault, a warning, something meant for us, the next species clever enough to ask questions. Maybe it's deep in the ice, or sealed in the crust, pulsing with energy. Or maybe it's still watching, silently, from above. We think we are alone. We think we are the first, but Earth is old, and secrets don't vanish, they just wait. So, are we really alone, or have we simply forgotten what came before? Tell me what you believe, and sir, don't forget to subscribe, because the past may not be as empty as we think.